3 reasons why the Nuer people traditionally hold cattle in high esteem for several reasons. 1. Economic and social status. Cattle serve as a measure of wealth and social status within Nuer society. Owning more cattle signifies prosperity and influence, as well as providing economic security through trade and dowries. 2. Cultural significance. Cattle are deeply embedded in Nuer cultural practices and ceremonies, such as marriages, funerals, and coming-of-age rituals. They play a central role in these events, symbolizing fertility, strength, and continuity of family lineage. 3. Livelihood and subsistence. Historically, cattle have been crucial for subsistence, providing milk, meat, and leather for clothing and shelter. They also serve as a form of insurance against famine or other economic hardships, as they can be sold or traded for other necessities.